I'm Tarun Lala. I'm the co-founder and executive director at Fanzart. We are the largest designer fan brand in India. To understand what we do, if you take a look at my screen, you'll find a lovely looking home and a conventional looking fan. That itself is the problem statement. Fans were bland and boring and electrical. We turned them to this. So if you see, that's the primarily sort of solution statement. We have fans that are aesthetically a lot more appealing, functionally superior as well, because you can't have a good product without it having function better, right? I'm sure it was Steve Jobs who said design is not just how it looks, but how it works. That being said, this video is currently about the aesthetic part of it. Not just the aesthetic, but specific fans that are more classical, vintage in nature. For example, meet Picasso. It's a beautiful looking fan in stained glass, and I'm quickly going to walk you through some of our classical fans, right? Our vintage fans. This is called Trojan. This comes from a World War II time period. It comes with oil drop blades, and it's absolutely beautiful for a certain type of homes. Comes with Fanzart's unique summer winter feature. Comes with a BLTC motor fan. BLTC takes about 70-75% lesser power, and a multifunctional remote control. Um, I'll quickly jump through the others. Classic is a beautiful fan. It's more on the economical and simpler part of our portfolio. Comes with a pull chain, but it can also be, just operated through your regulator and switch. We can also integrate a remote to this. Dyna, beautiful looking fan, really fast as well. Lovely detailing on the housing. Uh, Classic Dyna, and of course we have Elegance, also beautiful. They all come with reversible wooden blades. So one side you have a walnut finish, and on the other side you have a beautiful burgundy finish. Tiffany is absolutely stunning. It has these beautiful designs on the blades, and then it has about five lights at the bottom, one big light at the top, which comes with stained glass, Tiffany stained glass. Absolutely beautiful in living areas, drawing rooms, even above the dining table. Picasso, again, beautiful with stained glass. Monarch has unbelievable design, handworked on the housing part as well as some very, very Victorian design on the blade itself. This comes with birch wood. It's absolutely beautiful. The Vatican, the Vatican we thought was a very Italian design, but um, we actually, this was inspired from a very Mughal sort of setting. So if you see the detailing on the housing, this is not very clear. I'll post some more pictures. I'll also be posting links to our product pages on our website. But this was inspired by a little more Mughal sort of feeling as well. Mona Lisa is our retractable fan that comes in our vintage and classical collection. The Mona Lisa, the whole point of a retractable blade fan is suppose you want, a fan above a dining table. What people inevitably do is they leave just one electrical point for power, and then they want a really nice light feature, but they miss out on the functionality of a fan. So the Mona Lisa has folded in blades like this, so it looks like just a plain beautiful light feature. And then these retractable blades come out to give you a fully functioning fan. Retractable blades are usually pretty nice and breezy, but they of course serve a slightly smaller area. So something above a dining table is great. So this was made specifically for that use case. Victoria, slightly bigger, 60 inches, but it's a beautiful, beautiful fan. The detailing on the housing and some of the lights is absolutely exquisite. Um, and then, of course, we have more of a modern collection from there. But this is as far as the vintage collection goes. We can customize to a fair amount. We do have polishable blades and reversible blades and so on and so forth. To check out our other collections, watch more videos. Thank you so much.